contigo. So today I'm gonna make dinner, but first I think I'm gonna make a little snack because I'm really hungry. Okay, so let's make that snack. Usually never eat kiwi, but I'm trying to eat more fruit. Super sweet. Okay, I finished my snack and now I'm trying to think what I'm gonna make for dinner, and it's been quite challenging to eat 30 plants a day. No, 30 plants per week. So here I have some zucchinis that I have not used yet. I got these 8 days since I bought these. I really need to use before they get rotten. These are my leftovers from last week. Cabbage, half of cabbage, and some cilantro and green onions. I have left from my last week shopping. I went grocery shopping yesterday again, but I didn't get, I got some veggies, but not the same ones, of course, something different. It's going to, I think I'm gonna cook this together. Maybe I will add a little bit of onion here and have cilantro, which I can add, I don't know, and I'm gonna saute the cabbage by itself. I also have a little corn here. Got it. Thank you. Me inscribí en una hace tiempísimo, si me olvidé. De Computer Graphics. How to... Como plátano te dije.
Sí, se quedó.
Ajá, sí, pues, ajá. Sí. Le pregunto qué quiere comer y... O bueno, a la hermana el otro día le preguntó qué quiere comer y que le dijo que fried rice con...
Y nunca se me cumple ni un sueño. Lo que no te dijo es que los sueños